Have you ever heard of a slaughter?
I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross and IK is in the building.
International. That's for you, Chyna. And Dr. Ross and I, we want to start it off with a bang, saying that today is the day for the She's Hot contest.
Exactly. Congratulations. You want to unveil our She's Hot winner for today, IK?
Our winner is none other than Miss Meghan Markle. Can I call you Meghan? Because we know you're all about that lifestyle. Dr. Ross and I would like to send you a bottle of the Jamaican shampoo.
Just to rub in your hair, get some of the dreadlocks going, and maybe put some in Harry since he knows everything that he's talking about. You left the royal family, didn't you? You need a new look. Reinvent yourself.
Put in your kids here too. Let's get into our She's Hot winner with Miss Meghan Markle. Now, Dr. Ross, could you tell me a bit about Miss Markle?
Exactly. We're redoing it over again because IK just wanted to clarify once again that Miss Meghan Markle is our She's Hot winner so no one else gets confused.
Exactly.
But we all know Meghan. Everyone loves Meghan. The votes were out of millions and millions of girls, and the votes clearly shows that Meghan is lovable. She went over to a different, completely land that she had no well-being being there, and she conquered it, completely conquered the royal family, and came back to LA to take her gold with her. But we want to say, IK and I saw the Oprah interview with you, and we just want to say, Miss Oprah, if you have one mixed lady, IK and I are mixed too, but if you have one mixed lady and one predominantly white fellow, and you put them together, what color do you think the baby's gonna be?
And we know right now it's not gonna be albino. It's gonna be mixed.
Exactly. This is not Michael Jackson's children.
Exactly.
Let's get straight into the. Oh, continue.
And with Miss Markle, we adore your style. That's for you. From one player to the next. Playboy International.
Congratulations once again to Miss Meghan Markle, the scandalous queen, like I said, who conquered a land that was not hers. Congratulations on your win for the She's Hot winner of this week.
Let's get into our first hot topic after the Meghan Markle one, with Kim Kardashian cuddles up to Northwest in leather pants and sneakers from Kanye West line. First of all, stop talking about the kids. Second of all, we want to see you scandalous, so you're going the right way, dressed up scandalous in this photo right here.
And
second of all,
for me,
third of all, drop Kanye West's Yeezy line entirely.
Exactly. Throw the shoes away because they're worthless, and we know you miss Kanye. Everyone's not talking about it, but we know you miss Kanye. That's why you're wearing his raggedy shoes, saying that, you know, his shoes have any type of resemblance. But let's go into our next hot topic because Kanye's still in the weeds somewhere.
We're going to be talking about how Tyrese Gibson goes public with new bae Zilly Timothy amid divorce.
You know, I heard about this, and Tyrese, we're glad that you finally moved on and you're not moping around over the last girl. Hopefully you paid the last girl. Most likely he did because she's been quiet for a little bit now, so he probably paid her off and gave her a little bit of money for the kids.
And Dr. Ross, I'm not even going to say that he's fully gotten over it because Tyrese still seems a bit sad. We know you're hurt, Tyrese.
Tyrese always looks sad to me.
Get some info from the International King, IK and Dr. Ross.
From the Black Book, but we've changed it now to the International Book.
Playboy.
Exactly.
Now this could be you, Tyrese, but right now, we've had to take your card.
You're not on that player status yet, Tyrese.
Exactly. Let's move into our next hot topic with Tyler Perry's new TV show on BET Network called Ruthless.
You know, BET has been releasing a lot of movies lately. IK and I have been seeing it. And Tyler Perry, you need to go home.
But
After
Dr. Ross, before going home, Tyler Perry, put us in one of your next films.
Exactly.
We know you live at the studio. Invite Dr. Ross and I over. Let's have some brunch, lunch, and dinner.
Exactly.
And you should have called this movie Money Hungry, Ruthless, and Scandalous.
After you dropped that imaginary girlfriend.
But that's what this cover for this film looks like, or this TV show. So who knows? Maybe he's going on the right track. Maybe he's peeping the game.
I don't know. I think he's trying to cover up for the imaginary girlfriend because people haven't been speaking on that much. So he's decided to do what he does best and just start making movies. Remember, he won an award for being the best person to make something out of nothing. That's what we like about you, Tyler. Let's
Sure.
get to our next hot topic.
Katie Holmes' oversized coat, ruffled skirt, and knee-high boots will be everywhere this spring.
Boring. Katie Holmes, what happened to your boyfriend that you were talking about that you were so in love with?
And not even
vanished.
Not even the boyfriend, Dr. Ross. I want to ask one thing. What happened to Sorry? I'll give that a minute. Let's move into our next hot topic with Blac Chyna talks lazy sex, co-parenting, and being an entrepreneur on Angela Lee's lip service.
You serious?
Blac Chyna needs to sit her raggedy self down because that's all she does, IK. Every single time she pops up into the we don't hate you, Blac Chyna, because we love that you're scandalous. We embrace the scandalous here in Rose and Gold community.
And you were our winner for the She's Hot contest.
Exactly.
And for Dr. Ross and I and the studio co-host audience, you ticked all the boxes off.
Exactly.
And you're still going for more. You just beat the case against Rob and the Kardashians, and now you're out trying to get your new TV show and more money from this new podcast.
Continue your podcast, but I don't know if it's gonna go anywhere because Blac Chyna does everything. First she was trying to do rapping, then she tried to do movies, and now she's doing a podcast. Blac Chyna is literally everywhere, but we appreciate it because she's out to get her money, and we respect that.
Exactly. Let's move into our next hot topic with Mary-Kate Olsen makes a rare appearance while endorsing 2021's biggest shoe trend.
IK and I, like we said, Rose and Gold's way back, we have contacted the Olsen Twins and will be working soon on some clothing lines. So if the Olsen Twins see this video, we're right here. Rose and Gold International.
And Dr. Ross, the shoes are good, but it'll look better with the Jamaican sandals and the Jamaican clothing line.
Exactly. Let your feet free.
Exactly. Put some of the Jamaican shampoo in your hair. Dr. Ross and I'll give you the dreads, the look, the luster. And you already look good enough right now, but you could look better. Let's move into our next hot topic with Mike Esterman says he'd be open to a second date with Wendy Williams.
I don't like where this is going.
Stop lying. Stop lying. We were waiting for this the entire time. This is a thumbs down because IK and I saw the interview where Wendy Williams said you guys were kissing and...
Stop! Stop! No. Please, lady, you don't understand. You don't know what you're doing.
being in love, and you cut them off and said, no, it was not like that. We were just friends. Don't get it twisted. We all know the secrets. Mr. Willie Willems must have been a scary place. We feel bad for you. I'm praying for you right now.
They took my rings, they took my Rolex.
And Mike, we know that you cut a deal with Willie Williams to just say that the date was great and move on. Because right now, looks like you're gonna be going the other way. Let's move into our next hot topic. Exactly. Let's move into our next hot topic with Lisa Marie Presley sells Calabasas house after family tragedy.
That is very sad to hear. We're going to send our condolences and our prayers to you, and let's get into our next hot topic.
Machine Gun Kelly talks about finding success with his latest album, Tickets to My Downfall.
Machine Gun Kelly, there is no success in any of your career, in any point of your career. The only reason that you're seeing a little bit of sales here is because Megan Fox just decided to go on a free-for-all and buy all of your music and buy all your albums.
And Dr. Ross, the highest point in his life, and I'm gonna keep saying this, was the Blackbird. Other than that, Machine Gun Kelly, you've been on a downfall for the rest of the time. Just stop. You need some information from Dr. Ross and the King.
That's right.
Let's move into our final hot topic for today, with Demi Moore praises ex-husband Bruce Willis' wife, Emma Hemingberg, and a glowing Instagram post.
Demi Moore, the thing about you is we've been hearing topics here and there. You try to stay quiet, but then you go out and do things with your ex-husband. You try to hint back and forth. If you want your ex-husband back, just say that. Just say it. Obviously, he doesn't want you right now because he's with another woman and you were just scandalous running the streets. But don't say that you want Bruce now after he's moved on and he's happy in his life. But we're not going to also sit here and let you play like you're not still into him.
Not only did you do that, they got your ass on camera.
Niggas ain't got me in no fucking camera.
This is the clearest video I've ever seen. This is the most HD shit ever. This is 4K. How did they get you in 4K?
That ain't me.
And on a side note, Dr. Ross and I want to congratulate Miss Meghan Markle on her win for the She's Hot contest.
Congratulations, Miss Meghan Markle.
Miss Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex, an American member of the British royal family and a former actress. Need I say more? But I am. Meghan Markle was born and raised in Los Angeles, California.
Where the snakes are.
Exactly. Her acting career began while she was studying at a Northwestern university.
Her acting career began when she saw the paper that folds because she doesn't want any of the coins that's on the ground that they threw at her in the royal family. That's why
Money
she told
hungry, scandalous, and always looking for
another figure.
But Dr. Ross, Miss Markle, she is astute and the best of the best. She is a globally known actress, and she is one of the best I've seen, Dr. Ross.
Yes, sir.
For me, she has reached the pinnacle. She has conquered the gorilla.
Well, what I think personally, IK, is that she went to the gorilla's cage where all the gorillas were and found the weakest one out there, the bunny rabbit. So,
She's got Harry wrapped around her finger.
Because Harry is not a gorilla for me.
Exactly. But she, right now, Dr. Ross, she is the queen, and I admire her in every way.
Exactly.
That's for you, Meghan.
We know what happened to Harry, though. Meghan took love potion number 9 and gave him the whole entire bottle. Now he's just head over heels over Meghan.
New Orleans voodoo magic. But Harry, I can break that spell. All you have to do is call the king. That's for you, Meghan. And with Meghan, we'd love to see you on the roseandgold.us show, International King and Dr. Ross.
Exactly. And IK and I are not hating Meghan on any of your game that you have coming back to LA. We actually admire that you came back where the milk and honey is to get your own, because IK and I, we could do a movie with you. We could even do a reality show called Meghan, because we can feel it and we can see it in your eyes that Meghan, you want to be the star. And Meghan, you're the only woman who has actually surpassed all the other actors and other women, because you went there and you put a script on and a play with Harry himself, and you're still playing it. And we have movies for you. We have scripts that are already written, already in the works, ready for you. The movie's going to be called Vicious. You could be the vampire, innocent looking, but biting everyone.
Exactly. Just like the scandal. Because we know that you're money hungry, scandalous, and always looking for another figure.
But you found the top figure right now, so
True.
she'll be looking for other figures in a minute, which we already know. Once she got back to LA, all of her old gangsters and hood rats, they all came back from the underwaters to say hi to her.
You know she's hanging out the window saying, "Hey, players."
But let's close it off, IK. Congratulations once again to Miss Meghan Markle on your win for the She's Hot winner of this week.
Exactly, Dr. Ross. We have to say that before we close it off. Congratulations, Miss Meghan Markle, on your win.
Exactly.
But other than that, we're out.